both races for round 1, double win in round 2, 0 and a win for round 3. Now he continues the form with back-to-back win, and one that takes him even closer to possibly retaining his title at the end of the season. Meanwhile, Jonathan Z has come in second. That is his 3rd consecutive second. Still really good performance from him. Here is the finish for MTC. There is a little bit of back traffic in there. Is that going to help Leona in any way? No is the answer. She gets bumped off and has to come through in 3rd. So,
number 76 from Tedco Racing, Leona Chin and I.
That's right, sorry, MTC, that's exactly what I was talking about. They had such a fight.
Proton R3, Major.
Intense battle with Eddie Liu and Leona Chin. How was that?
It was really difficult because we carry a lot of ballast, weight ballast, because the success ballast. So, but we managed to keep up the pace. But then in the end, we got a P1. So thank you for my teammate. Also, he's driving a good job, and then also to the team. And thanks to Eddie Liu and also Leona Chin for giving us a very good, tough fight.
How was it for you?
Yeah, for me, after Farid passed the car to me, we got a big gap from Eddie Liu. So from there we push hard, but they are catching up to us, and we managed to defend our position and take the checker flag first.
All right, congrats, guys. Back to you, Jeevan.
It was a great battle indeed. I'm really glad that they've all appreciated each other in that, because it was wonderful to watch.